Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Devon. I got another video, man. But in this one, I'm gonna give you a little vacation vibe. Make you feel like you're on a Caribbean island. Make you wanna lean back in your chair, man, and just, wait. You hear them birds? Persuade you. Persian Blue, man. You wanna see more of that? Stay tuned for the video. Alright, y'all. I got the Hyundai Sonata back here. If you saw it already in the beginning of the video, you've seen the color. The name of the color is Persian Blue. This car's already blue, but I'm gonna add a little more persuasion to it. Give it that ocean view. Now in this video, I already prepped this car. If you wanna know more about prepping your vehicle before plasti dipping or Proline or whatever you use in removable paint, check out the video. I got it posted. Now this video is not a tutorial. It's just pretty much showing you the basics of how to get to that color that I'm aiming for. Stick with me. Alright YouTube, I'm done. I done cleaned everything up. I got it ready. So what I'm gonna do is let it sit and dry. I done took you through the steps. I gave you slight details. This isn't a how-to like I said. But I'm gonna get it outside, show y'all what it look like. See if I can persuade you a little bit. Persian Blue. I think he's gonna get you though. Stick with me.
Young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.